Hi everybody, Purnendu is here. Today we are going to learn how to create a presentation slide just like this. So here is the color and font that I am going to use to create this infographic in PowerPoint. First we need to insert a blank slide. Let's click on this slide and hit enter on the keyboard. Right click on the mouse, format background. From the color menu, click more colors. Now I will need to put the RGB value. First it is 240, then 238, then 240. To create the infographics, I will need those color. So I am just copying those color and pasting it here. I am positioning this color palette on the left side. For the infographic, I will need a bulb. I will download it from flat icon. So here I am in flat icon. So now I am looking for a bulb here. So this is the one that I need. I will just download the PNG version as it is free. Now I will just insert the bulb here. So let's go to insert menu and then under picture I will select this device. Here is our downloaded bulb. So let's insert it. The bulb size will be 3.11. Now we need cloud for this bulb. Next I will insert a bubble shape here. No outline is needed. Let's lock the aspect ratio. The size should be 1.16. Let's duplicate them by holding the Ctrl and Shift key and drag. Let's place them here. I will just need to create a smoke effect. Next I will insert another shape. That is this one. It is trapezoid. Let's place it here. No outline needed. Now I am holding the Ctrl key and selecting all of those shapes. From the shape format, shape fill will be white. Let's send this shape back. Select and right click on this shape and send to back. Now from the insert menu, click on the chart. I will need a donut. This one. I will need 8 segments. So let's increase this. We can just type 1, 1. Those values are not important. I just need each segment to be the same size. That is why I just put 1 here. Now let's remove those. Select this and click on format. The donut size should be 5.93, 8.89. Now for each segment, I will need outline. So let's go shape outline, click weight and click more lines. Here I can select solid line. Width should be 8 pt. The color should be same as the background color. Select this donut and right click, format data series. The donut hole size should be 53%. For those two segments, I will use just the background color. First selecting this element, click on shape fill and then using eyedropper I am selecting the background color. Now for this element I am doing the same. From shape fill, selecting the eyedropper and clicking on choosing the background color. Let's select this and right click and then send to back. Now we can just position this graphics better way. I will need to duplicate this graphics. So selecting this graphics and right click and then copy and then paste again. For this one, the size will be 3.67. Next, I will just select the element and then right click, click on Format Data Series. The donut hole size will be 87%. Close this window. Now we need to move it here. First select this and this one. Let's send them back. Right click, send to back. Next, I will need to insert a triangle. This one and 0.31. Now I will need to just place them here. Now I am just placing the triangle properly. Holding the Ctrl Shift and then drag. I am just duplicating this. Doing the same thing again. I have just finished placing those triangles. Now I will need to color each of the element. Select these graphics, then right click and bring to front. I am doing this just to color each of the element. You will need to double click to select a segment. Now going to the format menu and then from the shape field selecting the eyedropper and selecting this color for this element. I am doing the same thing for rest of the element. I am doing the same thing for the remaining segments. First selecting the segment and then click on the shape field, selecting eyedropper and choosing the color. I have just finished coloring those segments. Now I will need to send it back. So right click and send to back. Next I will send this bulb to back. So right click and send to back. Now I will be able to color those segments easily. First selecting this segment and clicking on the format and then choosing the eyedropper and selecting the color. Now I will use same color for the triangle. Now I will just color those triangle. From the shape format, clicking on the shape field, clicking on eyedropper and then selecting the color. Now I have just finished coloring all the segments. Now I will need to select these graphics, just click on it and then send them back. Right click on the bulb and bring to front. Now I will place icons in each of the element. Here I already have the dummy text and icons. I have downloaded those icons from Flat Icon. I will provide the link in the description. I have downloaded those icons from Flat Icon. I will provide the link in the description. Let's copy those icons. Holding the left mouse button and then drag, right click and then copy, paste them here. The icon size is 0.5. Let's place them one by one. I have just finished placing those icons. Now I will just place dummy text around this infographic. To place text around this infographic, I use a technique. Let's insert a circle. First lock the aspect ratio. The size will be 6.10. We only need the outline. So from shape fill, selecting no fill and the outline weight should be 3 pt. Let's position it here. Now I will just place dummy text around the circle. Holding the left mouse button, drag, and then selecting those text, copy them, paste them here. For the header text, I am using Open Sans Extra Bold. Font size is 16. For the subtext, I am using Open Sans font and the font size is 12. Now I am just placing those text properly. Let's copy those text also. Paste them here. Now I am removing the circle. I have just finished the creation of the infographics. Hope you like it. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notifications. As always, let's build amazing presentation and wow your audience.